This is Global View News. I'm Elda Julia. Tonight, we bring you a special report on the escalating conflict in Gaza, as renewed violence raises international concern and civilian casualties continue to rise. This report focuses on verified information, humanitarian impact, and the global response to the current escalation. The situation in Gaza has deteriorated rapidly following a new phase of military operations. Residential areas, key infrastructure, and surrounding neighborhoods have been affected, prompting emergency responses across the region. Local health services report an increasing number of casualties, with hospitals operating under severe pressure. Access to electricity, clean water, and medical supplies remains limited, further complicating emergency response efforts. Civilians continue to bear the heaviest burden of the conflict. Families have been displaced from their homes, seeking shelter in overcrowded facilities or temporary safe zones. Medical staff describe shortages of essential supplies, while humanitarian agencies warn of worsening conditions for children, the elderly, and the injured. Aid organizations stress that prolonged escalation could lead to a deeper humanitarian crisis. The current escalation follows a series of events that have steadily increased tensions in recent weeks. Analysts note that repeated exchanges and unresolved political disputes have contributed to the fragile security environment. Each new incident increases the risk of wider regional instability, as diplomatic efforts struggle to keep pace with developments on the ground. Experts warn that without the cycle of violence could intensify further. The international community has closely monitored the situation. The United Nations and multiple governments have called for restraint, emphasizing the protection of civilians and respect for international humanitarian law. Diplomatic discussions continue behind closed doors, as global leaders seek to prevent further escalation and regional spillover. Humanitarian agencies urge immediate access for aid delivery. Despite ongoing diplomatic efforts, the situation remains highly volatile. Analysts warn that continued escalation could destabilize the wider region and worsen humanitarian conditions. The coming days are expected to be critical, as both military and diplomatic decisions shape the next phase of the conflict. This has been a special report on the escalating conflict in Gaza, Global View News. We'll continue to monitor developments and provide verified updates as the situation evolves. I'm Elda Julia. Thank you for watching.